What are you doing, baby?
Collecting rocks for my mommy, so much I love her.
What about some rocks for your daddy?
Yeah. I must collect some rocks.
Are you picking up beautiful ones?
Yeah.
Show me.
All these ones.
Show Annie. You have a lot of rocks there, little girl.
I know that.
Why do you have so many?
Because I love to collect some rocks. So much I love my family. Whoa, this is shiny and big.
Your bag cannot hold that one. Oh, yes it can.
I think we'll collect it tomorrow. Hey, look at this, Johnny.
Get it.
Very cute.